Welcome all. I hope you are all having a great day today. I would like to give a review about one of the greatest science stories of all time, and it is by Isaac Asimov, and it's called Nightfall. In this video, we will discuss few biographical ideas about the author, summary, and the theme of the short story Nightfall. To begin with, we will have a brief idea about Isaac Asimov. He was born on Jan 2, 1920 in Russia. He is being termed as one of the influential writers of 20th century, and he is known for his science fiction works, and his most famous works are Foundation series, and his other major works are Galactic Empire series and Robot series. And the short story Nightfall, it has been written in the year 1941, and it is being termed to be the most famous science fiction stories of all the time. And in his lifetime he has completed around 500 books, and he died in the year 1992. So, Nightfall is a story about a planet that does not experience nightfall except once in every 2049 years. With six suns, Lakash otherwise exists in perpetual sunlight. In the course of describing the last 4 hours before darkness covers all, Asimov explains how a rare eclipse is able to blot out all the light and why the event always results in universal chaos. This feat he achieved by placing the story in the observatory of the scientists who are able to predict the coming phenomenon. Aton 77, the aged director of Saro University and the chief astronomer, is preparing to record the eclipse and whatever follows so that there will be scientific evidence to explain what has happened. On a planet where darkness is unknown, the expectation is that everyone will go insane from fear and claustrophobia, and that in their fear they will try to burn anything that will catch fire in order to produce light. Archaeological evidence shows that about 2000 years, on at least 9 different occasions, whole civilization has disappeared. The assumption is that the fires get out of hand and everything is destroyed in the chaos of madness. To prevent the panic and help people prepare so that they might survive the next eclipse, the scientists are determined to leave proof of the real reason for coming of the darkness. In the meantime, a group of cults has also predicted the loss of sunlight, but as a night of reckoning and fire produced by stars, the astronomers had never seen stars because of the brightness of the suns. They think that stars are just a myth perpetuated by religious fantasies to scare people into moral behavior. Besides the team of astronomers, a faculty psychologist named Sharon 501 and a newspaper reporter Thermon 762 wait in the observatory. They review the research that has led to prediction of the eclipse and the subsequent madness. And it has been discovered only before 10 years. In addition to the scientific evidence Sharon has accumulated, he has also been through a 15 minutes tunnel ride of total darkness designed to amuse tourists that actually resulted in death and mental illness for many. However, during the centennial exposition, it was the experiment, or in a way like it was being termed to be an exhibition that has been built in order to excite or amuse tourists, but in the other way it has resulted in death and mental illness for many. However, an experiment by two of the astronomers, Eamon 70 and Farrell 24, they tried to stimulate the appearance of stars, failed to produce any psychological ill effects. When they failed to produce the psychological ill effects, they discussed these findings and they were being interrupted by a cult who has come over there in order to destroy the telescopic equipment and cameras that has been regarded as blasphemy. He believes that the salvation of his soul depends on seeing the star and is therefore forced to remain quiet while the other participant threatening to lock him in and close it. When he cannot see the star when they appear, he occupies himself during the long wait by chanting scriptures from his book of Revelations. Sharon is supposed to ride out of the terror of the night in the hideout, which has been specially prepared, and people from university community has taken refuge with supplies and some crudely made torches for light. It is the artificial light that they had made is a rod which is being topped by 6 inches of wavering flame. And in curiosity, when darkness starts to occupy, it is like Siren and Thermon both beginning to feel the first effect of the claustrophobia, who bolt the entrances of observatory against the crazed mob coming up from the city of twilight. The story ends as the night begins. The city goes up in flames and the stars come out in terrifying multitudes. So this is the summary of the story Nightfall. Next, we will move with the themes. The first theme discussed over here is light and darkness. The whole story is built around the concept of darkness and light. On a planet with perpetual sunlight, darkness is inconceivable. The story presents an interesting theory about the effect of darkness on a people who had never experienced it. Asimov's editor believed that such people would go mad in darkness even though the star would become visible. So Asimov wrote a story based on that supposition. So the next theme is initiative. Athon and his team of astronomers take the initiative to save those in the future rather than just succumb or concentrate on personal survival. Athon also takes the initiative to ask the cultist for their idea that might help his research. The scientists also show initiative by inventing the torches to provide light once the darkness came, thus possibly helping to prevent the terrible consequence of total darkness. Initiative is an important theme to Asimov, who believed strongly that humans create their own problem and therefore they are only one who can solve them. And the third theme is madness and sanity. Obviously, the perseveration of sanity and the avoidance of the products of madness is the main concern of the characters in Nightfall. The presence of a psychologist in the story allows Asimov to discuss how the mind works and why the darkness could cause insanity. Sharon says, your brain is going to be presented with a phenomenon outside its limits of comprehension. You will go mad completely and permanently. There is no question of it. In a nutshell, this story has an inspiration from the quote of Emerson. The quote is, if the star should appear one night in 1,000 years, how would men believe and adore the perseverance for many generations and remembrance of the city of God? This is the statement which has been taken as an inspiration in order to write the short story Nightfall, which has been later developed into a novel and also adopted into movie. Being deprived of light is the worst fear of people of Lakash. After 2000 years of light, they are genetically in need of light. Darkness is an unthinkably terrifying concept. Thus, the conflict in the story is the problem of how to respond to a crisis when one of the most basic needs of existence disappears. Cleverly, Asimov provides a psychologist as one of the main characters in the story in order to discuss and analyze the situation. Thank you for watching.